In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Kodak Instant 2-in-1 camera with the mobile app. So if you want to print photos from your mobile, you can use it. Now first thing is to download the app. So go to the App Store, go to the app section and open Kodak Instant Printer. Now we have to start the setup process for the app. So click on the begin. So it gives some details how you can use it. You can skip it if you want. Next thing is to connect with your printer. Now the first thing is to switch on your Kodak Instant 2-in-1 printer. So press the power button. The printer is on. Now go to the settings and open the Bluetooth. We can see Kodak Instant CE5B. Select it. So it connects and it gives a beep sound from your instant camera. That means it is connected. Now go back and open the Kodak Instant app and you should be able to see your instant printer here. Next thing is to use this printer with this app. It displays estimated level of battery left inside your printer. It has a camera. So if you allow the camera, you can take the photos. Now you can click a photo and print with it.